Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by preparing the phone and app so tracking can actually work. Make sure your iPhone 11 runs a supported iOS release and has at least 20% battery. Plug in if needed. Once done, enable Face ID and grant camera and motion permissions when the app asks. Next, open the eye tracking app you installed and follow its initial calibration prompt. This is where you begin the real setup, so stay focused and keep lighting steady. Now you'll calibrate and tune the system for reliable tracking. Position the iPhone at eye level roughly 40 to 60 centimeters away. Make sure you're centered in the frame. Use soft, even lighting. Do not sit with a bright window behind you. Tap through the app's multi-point calibration, following each target with smooth saccades. The app records how your eyes map to the screen. Finally, tweak sensitivity and smoothing settings until the gaze indicator follows you naturally. You're almost done. Now test real use and lock-in reliability. Run the app's test sequence and record a short session to confirm stability during typical tasks. If you notice drift, adjust sensitivity, reposition the phone slightly, or improve lighting, then rerun calibration. If tracking suddenly fails, restart the app, allow camera permissions again, and recalibrate. A quick reboot of the phone clears persistent issues. If problems persist, verify the front camera.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.